Yemen's mountainous terrain presents unique challenges for road infrastructure. Roads often wind through rugged landscapes, connecting villages and towns. Building and maintaining roads in such areas require careful planning and engineering to navigate the steep slopes and rocky terrain while ensuring safety and accessibility for residents and travelers. Car problems in Yemen's mountains can be particularly challenging due to the rugged terrain and often remote locations. Breakdowns or mechanical issues can leave drivers stranded far from assistance. Common problems might include overheating engines due to the strain of climbing steep inclines, tire punctures from sharp rocks or debris on the road, and transmission issues from the strain of constant shifting on hilly terrain. It's essential for drivers to be prepared with basic repair tools, spare tires, and emergency supplies when traveling through these areas. In Yemen's mountainous regions, navigating the challenging terrain poses significant risks for drivers, often leading to various car problems. These issues stem from the rugged landscape, remote locations, and inadequate road infrastructure. Here's an overview. 1. Rugged terrain. Yemen's mountains feature steep inclines, sharp turns, and narrow roads, placing strain on vehicles. Climbing these inclines can cause engines to overheat, especially in older or poorly maintained vehicles. 2. Remote locations. Many mountainous areas in Yemen are sparsely populated and lack nearby assistance or repair facilities. Breakdowns or malfunctions in these remote locations can leave drivers stranded for extended periods, exacerbating the problem. 3. Lack of maintenance. Due to economic challenges and ongoing conflicts, road maintenance in Yemen's mountains is often inadequate. Potholes, debris, and uneven surfaces increase the likelihood of tire damage and other mechanical issues. Common car problems in Yemen's mountains include overheating engines. Continuous strain on engines during uphill climbs can lead to overheating, especially in hot weather conditions. Limited airflow and heavy loads contribute to this issue. Tire punctures and damage. Rough terrain increases the risk of tire punctures from sharp rocks or debris on the road. Blown tires or damaged rims are common, requiring immediate attention, which may be difficult to obtain in remote areas. Transmission issues. Constant shifting on hilly terrain can strain transmissions, leading to malfunctions or failures. This problem is exacerbated in older vehicles or those lacking proper maintenance. Brake problems. Descending steep slopes put significant stress on brakes, leading to brake fade or failure if not properly maintained. Inadequate brake performance poses a severe safety risk in mountainous regions. Electrical system failures. Vibrations and jolts from rough roads can cause electrical connections to loosen or components to fail, resulting in issues such as starting problems, dashboard malfunctions, or lighting failures. To mitigate these challenges, drivers should carry essential tools and spare parts. Basic repair tools, spare tires, and common replacement parts can be invaluable when facing car problems in remote areas. Perform regular maintenance. Proper vehicle maintenance, including checking fluids, brakes, tires, and electrical systems, can prevent many common car problems. Exercise caution. Drive cautiously, especially on steep inclines and descents, to reduce strain on the vehicle and minimize the risk of accidents or breakdowns. Be prepared. Carry emergency supplies such as water, food, blankets, and communication devices in case of extended delays or emergencies. In addition to the challenges and common car problems outlined earlier, several other factors contribute to the complexities of driving in Yemen's mountainous regions. These include 1. Weather conditions. Yemen's mountainous areas experience diverse weather conditions, ranging from scorching heat to heavy rainfall and occasional snowfall at higher elevations. Extreme weather events can exacerbate road conditions, causing erosion, landslides, and flash floods, further deteriorating road surfaces and making driving even more hazardous. 2. Road quality and accessibility. Many roads in Yemen's mountains are unpaved, narrow, and poorly maintained, making them susceptible to damage from heavy rains, erosion, and landslides. Limited accessibility due to road closures or blockages caused by natural disasters or military conflicts can further isolate communities and impede transportation routes, exacerbating the challenges faced by drivers. 3. Security concerns. Yemen has faced ongoing political instability and armed conflict, particularly in its mountainous regions. The presence of armed groups, checkpoints, and military operations along certain routes can pose security risks to travelers, leading to delays, detours, or even confrontations that disrupt travel plans and exacerbate the dangers associated with driving in these areas. 4. Limited infrastructure and services. In addition to inadequate road maintenance, Yemen's mountainous regions often lack essential infrastructure and services, such as fuel stations, repair shops, medical facilities, and emergency services. This lack of support infrastructure can significantly hamper efforts to address car problems or emergencies effectively, leaving drivers vulnerable to prolonged delays and hardships. 5. Terrain-related hazards. Beyond the typical challenges of steep inclines and sharp turns, Yemen's mountainous terrain presents various hazards to drivers, including rockfalls, landslides, and unstable slopes. Negotiating these hazards requires heightened awareness, quick reflexes, and the ability to anticipate and react to sudden changes in road conditions, weather, and environmental factors. 6. Cultural and social factors. Yemen's mountainous regions are home to diverse communities with unique cultural practices, traditions, and norms. Understanding and respecting local customs and etiquette can enhance communication and interactions with residents, fostering positive relationships and potentially garnering assistance or support in navigating the challenges of driving in these areas. 7. Resource scarcity. Yemen faces severe resource scarcity, including shortages of fuel, water, and essential supplies, exacerbated by ongoing conflicts, economic challenges, and environmental degradation. Drivers traveling through mountainous regions must carefully manage their resources, including fuel consumption, water usage, and food supplies, to ensure they can sustain themselves during prolonged journeys or unexpected delays. Yemen's mountainous regions are characterized by rugged terrain, steep slopes, and challenging climatic conditions, posing significant challenges for road infrastructure development and maintenance. This report provides an in-depth analysis of the current state of Yemen's mountain roads, identifies key challenges faced by drivers and communities, and explores strategies for improving road accessibility and safety in these remote areas. Yemen's mountain roads form a vital network connecting remote communities, urban centers, and economic hubs. These roads serve as lifelines for transportation, commerce, and access to essential services, playing a crucial role in the socio-economic development of the region. However, the rugged topography and limited resources for infrastructure development present formidable challenges for road construction, maintenance, and safety. 8. Challenges faced by drivers. Rugged terrain. Yemen's mountain roads traverse challenging terrain, including steep cliffs, narrow passages, and unstable slopes. Erosion, landslides, and rockfalls are common hazards, posing risks to drivers and passengers and necessitating constant vigilance and caution. Limited accessibility. Many mountainous areas in Yemen are remote and isolated, with limited access to basic infrastructure and services. Poor road conditions, lack of transportation options, and geographical barriers exacerbate the challenges of mobility, leaving communities vulnerable and underserved. Inadequate infrastructure. The quality of roads in Yemen's mountains varies widely, with many routes being unpaved, narrow, and poorly maintained. Potholes, debris, and erosion further degrade road surfaces, leading to increased vehicle wear and tear, accidents, and travel delays. Security concerns. Yemen's mountainous regions have been affected by armed conflict, political instability, and security risks, posing additional challenges for drivers and travelers. Checkpoints, road closures, and military operations can disrupt travel plans, exacerbate tensions, and compromise road safety. 9. Strategies for road improvement. Infrastructure development. Investing in road infrastructure is critical for enhancing connectivity, promoting economic development, and improving living standards in Yemen's mountainous regions. This includes building new roads, upgrading existing ones, and implementing measures to mitigate environmental risks and hazards. Maintenance and repair. Prioritizing regular maintenance and repair of mountain roads is essential for ensuring their longevity and safety. This involves filling potholes, clearing debris, stabilizing slopes, and reinforcing vulnerable sections to withstand natural disasters and environmental challenges. Community engagement. Engaging local communities in road improvement projects fosters ownership, cooperation, and sustainability. Community-based initiatives can leverage local knowledge, resources, and labor to address specific needs and priorities, enhancing the effectiveness and impact of road development efforts. Capacity building, building the capacity of local authorities, engineers, and workers in road construction and maintenance is essential for ensuring the sustainability and effectiveness of infrastructure projects. Training programs, technical assistance, and knowledge sharing can enhance skills, professionalism, and performance in managing mountain road networks. The hardest roads in Yemen are often found in its mountainous regions, where rugged terrain, steep inclines, and remote locations combine to create exceptionally challenging driving conditions. Some of the toughest roads in Yemen include 1. Jebel Haraz Road, located in the Haraz Mountains. This road features narrow, winding paths with steep drops and sharp turns. It connects several mountain villages and offers breathtaking views but requires skilled driving and careful navigation due to its challenging terrain. 2. Al-Hahara Road. This road traverses the rugged landscapes of the Al-Hahara Mountains in northwest Yemen. It is known for its narrow passages, rocky terrain, and precarious cliffs, making it one of the most difficult routes to navigate in the country. 3. Al-Mawat Al-Baida Road. Connecting the provinces of Al-Mawat and Al-Baida, this road winds through the rugged mountains of central Yemen. It is prone to landslides, rockfalls, and erosion, posing significant hazards to drivers and requiring constant maintenance and repair efforts. 4. Al-Hada Road. Located in the Hada Mountains near the city of Taiz, this road is notorious for its steep gradients, hairpin bends, and sheer drops. It is often shrouded in fog and mist, further complicating visibility and adding to the difficulty of driving along its treacherous route. 5. Al-Jawf As-Sabir Road. Crossing the remote and arid landscapes of Al-Jawf Governorate, this road encounters challenging conditions such as sandy terrain, extreme temperatures, and long stretches of desolation. It is essential for connecting rural communities but demands careful planning and preparation for the journey. These roads present formidable challenges for drivers, requiring skilled maneuvering, patience, and resilience to navigate safely. Despite the difficulties, they serve as vital lifelines for communities living in Yemen's mountainous regions, facilitating transportation, trade, and access to essential services amidst the rugged landscapes of this beautiful but challenging country. Despite these numerous challenges, driving in Yemen's mountains can also offer breathtaking scenery, cultural insights, and unique experiences for adventurous travelers. By understanding the risks, being prepared, and exercising caution, drivers can navigate these rugged landscapes safely and responsibly, ensuring a memorable and rewarding journey through Yemen's enchanting mountainous regions. In conclusion, Yemen's mountain roads play a vital role in connecting communities, facilitating trade, and promoting socio-economic development. However, they face numerous challenges, including rugged terrain, limited accessibility, poor road conditions, and security risks. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing infrastructure development, maintenance and repair, community engagement, and capacity building. By investing in road improvement initiatives and fostering collaboration among stakeholders, Yemen can enhance accessibility and safety on its mountain roads, unlocking the full potential of these critical transport corridors for the benefit of all its citizens. In conclusion, car problems in Yemen's mountains are a significant concern due to the challenging terrain, remote locations, and inadequate infrastructure. Drivers must be vigilant, prepared, and equipped to handle these challenges to ensure safe and reliable travel in these rugged landscapes.